No, Meadow, sit. 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 Come here, Chucky. Sit. Stay. Stay.
So,
Look, he
do you,
refuses to sit.
that's it?
Okay, that's it.
Do you mace the ace to Pello, take this black bitch to be your lawfully, unlawfully wedded companion in friendship?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Do you, Meadow,
Muffin.
Wagner, take Mace to be your pal, compadre, your bon vivant? Do you got to be part? Yes? Okay.
Do you want to kiss the bride?
Well then, you may
Yes.
kiss the bride.
You want to kiss the bride?
Yay!
Oh! Your dog just ran over and kissed Matilda.
Yay! Good boy!
I got 2 videos.
Oh my God.
Michael, all you can see is Michael in there with his camera in front of the whole thing.
Stop!
You can't see it? Michael was in there like the whole time.